literally about to lose my mind. Some of you are probably like, girl, that was gone a long time ago, but for reals. A Skinny Service box just showed up on my porch. I didn't order anything. I think I know what this is. I'm about to lose it. Okay, I gotta show you. Mystery flavor 1. Pineapple. Did you guess pineapple upside down cake, y'all? Be prepared to be sick of me with this one. Hope you like pineapple. Ooh, she's giving Gorgina. Pink, beautiful, love her. Frosting. Okay, what is she? What are you guessing? Birthday Queen. Sweet 15 Birthday Queen. Okay, yes. She is giving frosting for sure. Delish. Smells like a cupcake. Ooh. She looks like a little vino. Sniff test. Ooh. Fruity. Grand reveal. Blueberry cobbler. You shut your mouth. I don't know what she's giving. Sniff test for the mystery flavor. I smell chocolate. Something else. Chocolate salted pretzel. Delish. Okay, last one. She's clear. I really don't know about this one. Sniff test. Ooh. Almond? Italian wedding cake. My sniffer, she was on point. Thanks, Skinny Syrups, for all these. I'm super excited to give them all a try. Now, y'all tell me, which one do y'all need to try and which one do you think is going to be your favorite? You got Birthday Queen, Italian wedding cake, blueberry cobbler, chocolate salted pretzel, or pineapple upside down cake. Which one?